One of the best things about living in Istanbul as a student is the IstanbulKart. If you haven't already known, public transportation is the most commonly used way of transporting within the city. Based on your mood, and of course the destination, you can choose to commute around the city using one of the public transportations such as the ferry, metro, metrobus, tram, and many others. Now you might be thinking, how do I obtain this IstanbulKart? It is just very simple if you're a student living in Istanbul. The first thing that you need to do is of course be an active student in a higher institution in Istanbul. Once you're an active student in a university, all you have to do is to go to an application center and submit the required documents. The required documents for application are one photograph, a copy of your passport front page, your student certificate, your temporary Turkish ID number, and the application fee. The application fee may get updated from time to time, but it ranges between 20 to 30 Turkish liras. The temporary Turkish ID number is the number that will be generated for you once you complete your registration at the university. After obtaining a student residence permit, this number will change. However, at the time of your IstanbulKart application, you may use your temporary Turkish ID number that is most likely to be available on your student certificate. If it's not available on your student certificate, you may contact us to request for the number. The only important thing to know while applying for the IstanbulKart is to make sure that your student certificate has an active status. You can only have an active status if you have selected your courses on your OBS system and are actively attending your courses at the university. Once you obtain your IstanbulKart, you may load balance on it through the ticket machines found in most of the tram, metro, and metrobus stops. You can also top up your card simply using the IstanbulKart app without visiting any of the machines, especially if you have the NFC feature in your mobile phone. If your mobile device does not have the NFC feature, you can still upload balance in your card but would still have to visit a machine in order to load it up in your card. The student IstanbulKart is discounted and has a lower fare compared to other forms of memberships of IstanbulKarts. However, there are still two ways in which you can use your card. The first way is by simply adding cash or balance in your card and using it as you ride. The second form of usage is the monthly subscription, which is much more affordable if you're an active public transportation user. Once you make a monthly subscription, you will be granted 200 rides that you can use throughout the whole month. And that's all you need to know about the student IstanbulKart. Now all you have to do is to grab your active student certificate and head to an application center in order to get your IstanbulKart and start exploring all around Istanbul. And we wish you a splendid journey!